Ooh, that crunch. Hi, sweeties. I've got a good one for you today. We have French bread pizzas made in the Ninja Foodi grills. That's right. It is the original Ninja Foodi grill versus the Ninja Foodi Smart Grill XL. We are grilling French bread pizzas. Let's get into it. But first, please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell. Now let's make some French bread pizzas. I received both of these Ninja Foodi grills as part of work that I've done with the Ninja Foodi company. Let's see how these fit in our grills. How it fits in the Ninja Foodi Grill XL, and I think I need to cut it right about here. And that's perfect because then we will have the perfect amount to fit inside the original Ninja Foodi Grill. So that'll fit in there. I'm going to cut it in half. We'll have that there, and then we'll take this over and see if it fits in that Ninja Foodi Grill. Perfect. And there should be room for two. That is some nice bread. I love this knife too. This Tojiro bread knife, it is quite lovely and not too expensive. When I first saw it on Amazon, it was $14, and you can see the holes there I'm talking about. It was $14 when I first saw it, or $15, and then I didn't buy it. Then when I went back to buy it, it was, I think, $30. But it just glides through this bread so well. I love this knife. I'll put a link to it in the description box. Now we're going to take some chopped garlic, pour in a little bit of olive oil. Oh, isn't that a pretty color? Swoosh that around. And I'm just going to brush the top, this cut side of the ciabatta or French bread or whatever you're using with just a little bit of that oil and garlic mixture. And then we're going to toast this. We're going to pre-toast this before we add our pizza toppings, and that will give us a nice crispy surface, and our French bread, our ciabatta pizza, won't be soggy. I'm going to go ahead and preheat our Ninja Foodi grill, the Ninja Foodi Grill XL, as well as the original Ninja Foodi grill. Now, I've got the grill grate in, and we are going to grill this, but this first cook, I'm going to put it on bake just about 5 minutes because we just want to kind of toast that bread up and let the top get crispy. The original Ninja Foodi grill says add food, and that's what we're going to do. Oops. We'll just drop both of those in there. Let them toast up a bit. And now we're adding the other bread into the Ninja Foodi Grill XL, and this is already one advantage, is that you have much more space on the grill area of the Ninja Foodi Grill XL to put that French bread. The grill space is much larger. All right, this original Ninja Foodi is just about done. Let's take a look. Now, honestly, that's good, just like that. Look how pretty. That is just nice and toasty. We're gonna pull these out, and we can let them cool for just a bit while we wait for the rest of our French bread to toast in the Ninja Foodi Grill XL. Got a little sauteed spinach as a pizza topping. I added the leftover garlic that we used to brush our French bread with, our ciabatta with. Didn't want that to go to waste, so I put it here with this spinach. And I just used a bag of spinach leaves, so I want to make it easy on myself tonight. Oh, we're serving this French bread pizza, this ciabatta pizza with, okay, look at this. Beautiful vegetable and sausage soup. There's kale, carrot, So much good stuff. I'll have the recipe for this up real soon. I'll put a link to this in the description box, and it's going to be part of my review for this Caraway non-stick, non-toxic cookware set. So be on the lookout for that. All right, let's see the French bread. Ooh, I keep saying French bread, ciabatta. The ciabatta in the Ninja Foodi Grill XL is nicely toasted. Let me grab some tongs and pull those out. Okay, listen to that. Nicely toasted. Now, let's get our pizza toppings. So I am truly taking it easy on myself because we're going to use just some marinara sauce. Not too much because you don't want to make your pizza soggy. You could actually put the cheese on first if you want. And that way the cheese will protect the bread layer. But I forgot to do that, so we're just gonna go just like that. Now I bought a trio of this pepperoni, provolone, and salami. I ordered that on Amazon Fresh, and we ate some, but we've got plenty to make a couple of pizzas. I have that spinach and fresh tomato, which is my favorite topping, and we got some shredded mozzarella cheese. So let's get these pizzas built. Our pizzas are ready to be cooked or cooked again. We're gonna go on grill that goes to high temperature, and since it's already hot, it doesn't need to preheat for very long. For the original Ninja Foodi, if you put on grill, it goes to high at 500 degrees. If you put the temperature up, it can go up as high as 510 degrees. I don't think we'll need it quite that high. These are only going to need about 2 or 3 minutes to cook, so we'll keep a close eye on them. The Ninja Foodi XL grill is ready to go. It says add food. You can put these nice, look at that. Careful when you put that in there. Please don't burn yourself. And we'll have to keep a close eye on this because in the XL grill, it's much shallower, so our pizza will be very near the top of the unit. All right, our pizzas now are in the original Ninja Foodi grill. You see that is much deeper than the XL grill, so there's a lot more space there. I'm gonna even lower that. I'm sure we don't need that much time. So let's let that go and we'll peek in after about 3 minutes. Let's peek in that XL grill. It's been going for a little more than 3 minutes. That's done. That's done. Let's take that. Remember we already toasted our bread, so we're gonna pull those out. Look at that. Beautiful. I put some cheese on top to offer a little protection. Just put that there. It's a pizza party. Oh, listen to the crunch. No soggy pizzas here. That's beautiful. Now, for the pizzas in the original Ninja Foodi grill, I already went and shut that off. Again, just a little over 3 minutes, and these are well done. Yeah, the original Ninja Foodi grill is just so powerful. If you watch the other comparisons, you'll see that everything really does get just super like brown and just cooked well in the original Ninja Foodi grill. And like it's so toasty, more toasty than in the original Ninja Foodi, even though there's much more space between the top of the Foodi and like the heating element and the actual food. So let's pull these out and get to eating. Let me show you without any food on it. The XL model is about 9 by 13, whereas the original Ninja Foodi grill measures at about 9.5 by 9.5. So you get a larger surface area on the grill grate of the XL than the original model. So the difference between the Ninja Foodi XL grill and the original Ninja Foodi grill is really clear in this example. When it comes to grilling something, grilling food, that grill grate gives you so much more space in the Ninja Foodi XL grill than you have in the original Ninja Foodi grill. So if you're feeding a lot of people, you might want to go for the XL grill. All right, time to cut it. Crispy, not soggy in the least. Look at that. No sog here. No soggy French bread pizzas here. Beautiful. It's time for dinner, y'all. We got to go. And we're serving our French bread pizza with this delicious soup. And I'll put the recipe up really soon. And I'll put a link to that up here with this delicious crunchy French bread pizza. Oh, this is a great, easy dinner. Well, what do you think about that? The pizzas came out so crispy and crunchy and delicious. Both of these Ninja Foodi grills do a great job. But if you're feeding more people, 4 to 6 people, really, you can't go wrong with the Ninja Foodi Grill XL. That grill grate just gives you more space. So please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell, and y'all have a delicious day.